What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro and on the left we have the Poco X3 Pro. So in today's video I'm going to do the speed test comparison between the iPhone 12 Pro and the Poco X3 Pro. I know to make this comparison a bit more fair, I have installed the Pixel Experience ROM in this Poco X3 Pro, the latest version, to get a better smoothness, and now you guys can see both the apps are closed in the background. So let's just start off with the speed test. So as you guys can see, I have downloaded all of these apps here. So let's just start off with Flipkart in 3, 2, 1, go. And as you guys can see here, the iPhone was the winner. But just look at the difference, how close the Poco is. I think the Poco will catch up. Amazon and okay, this time I think the Poco X3 Pro actually won. It doesn't matter which page they are opening, but the first to come onto the page actually wins. Let's try this. Okay, this time I'm first gonna give all the permissions and try to see which one will give a better Wi-Fi. So both the smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, which is home. So let me just proceed and tap on speed test. So let's just tap. Let me just focus a bit and in 3, 2, 1 and go. And let's see which will offer better internet speeds. So we are testing the download speed right now, and I think the iPhone is actually getting a lot better speed. I think that's because of the A15 Bionic, which is in this one. And as you guys can see, it is also connected to the home network. This is also connected to the home network. Both are connected to the same Wi-Fi. But still the iPhone is giving better internet speeds. That's just because of the faster processor. And yeah, it's a 5G phone compared to the Poco, which is a 4G phone. But still, just look at how close Poco is. It's just really good to see a phone competing against the beast, the best of Apple has to offer, right? So let's just swipe down. Okay, we can see iPhone clearly won in this. Now let's just try another app. So we are going to find the app to try. So let's just try Instagram. 3, 2, 1, go. And here also we have the iPhone as the clear winner, no doubts. But then let's just try, okay, we are gonna try Play Store versus App Store. This time the Poco won. Wow, that's great actually. It opened really fast. Okay, dialer same time. This is also same time. Messages, then gallery. Okay, that was not the best thing to do. So let me just try to search Google Photos in this one. So I don't think we actually have Google Photos in the iPhone. So let me just try to see where it is. Okay, so yeah, I don't think we have. Let's just search for the sake of searching. Yeah, let's just try photos versus gallery. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, this one was a draw, I guess. It's not a clear win. Let's try YouTube in both the phones in 3. Okay, wait, where do we have YouTube? Yeah, in 3, 2, 1 and go. And okay, this time the Poco won. Oh my god. And as you guys can see, the Poco is 120 Hz versus the iPhone, which is 60. I think Poco is a lot more smoother, but yeah, iPhone is just fluid. Like if you scroll both the phones at the same time, you can see the scrolling speed of Poco is faster because of 120 Hz, but iPhone never lags. It's smooth, nice and fluid. Then we are gonna try some searching. So Chrome, go. As you guys can see, iPhone just opened the website like bam. And then we are gonna search some other websites. So scrolling on the website, super smooth on both, no problems here. And now let's just try to open another website. So let's just search something like what should we search, right? Yeah, we have Facebook. So let's search Facebook. Boom. Now the search result was faster in the Poco this time. Let's try to open Facebook in both the smartphones in 3, 2, 1 and go. And okay, this time the Poco won. That's great, man. This time the Poco won with a greater speed. As you guys can see the replay again, and yeah, the Poco is better in that time. So that was the speed test. It was just a fun little video. No hurt to all. I love the iPhone, but I love the Poco as well. So what do you guys think about these comparisons? Do you want more speed tests with the OnePlus as well? Tell me in the comments below. And that's it. Hope you like it. I just love the Poco. It's really good holding up. And catch you in the next one. Peace out. Stay safe, stay healthy. Subscribe now.